Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, as you can see, I haven't posted in years. Even me, I'm not too sure what I've been up to, but mostly school related stuff. I didn't post anything at all. If you could see from last time I post. So we return with something for 2026. This is a new year. This is literally January 2026, January 1st, actually. So if you're watching this early this year, Happy New Year, and I hope everything turns good for you in this year. So I was clearly thinking of what happened in 2025, where we have everybody being able to build anything with the help of AI. So this big AI boom make it easy for people to create anything. So way before I was a console, then become a PC gamer, I was a mobile gamer. I used to play every single game that you could think on console, from Angry Bird, Flappy Bird, Temple Run, Subway Surfer, and much more. So today, try to replicate some game from nostalgia that I used to play as a kid. Without further ado, we'll try to do Temple Run because this is the one that I missed the most. I miss other games like Angry Birds as well, but Temple Run was so much fun because this is the first game that I could really say that I was really top tier at. So we're gonna use Claude to see how we replicate it, and then you let me know how it does. Right, so we should first of all come up with a prompt. So the prompt should be probably laid everything out so the AI um, knows what to do. So we'll go to create a direct recreation. We do a recreation of the Temple Run game. All right, so we'll give it some more functionality so everything can be good. So we'll say the game must emulate the original look, feel, and functionality, and also we'll say we'll implement an infinitely generating path. So we know it's an infinite run type of game, so we just need an infinite path with weird obstacles, right? Obstacles and environments. Yeah, environments. Typical. This is typical of the original. So what we'll do, we'll try to create like we'll try to give a very good prompt in the beginning. So because we'll have a timer, we're trying to see if we can build that in 30 minutes. We'll get the AI. We'll send the prompt. We'll we forgot to mention that we want to run it as a we want to run it as a in the browser, not on the thing. So we'll pause this right now, and when the AI finish cooking, we'll be right back. All right, we're back before everything. So we like 7 minutes in. We have about 20 more minutes where we say so we had like to be legally compliant with this. So we'll say we want a replica since we're not doing anything for commercial use. A replica of the original that we can play in our browser. So we have a run right here, but the point of view is not very good. So we should be able to ask it to finish what it was doing. So we'll say the view isn't good, and player auto run into so the view is not very good. The player auto run into obstacles, and game is over. We'll also want to say speed should be increases. Should increase. Yeah, should increase. We'll just add that. Should increase as we progress. We should start. We should start slow, then get faster. All right. Give it a couple more seconds to recook it, and then we'll be back and see how it did. All right, so we're back after those fixes. Just tell us what they fixed: collision detection, speed progression, better camera view, improved gameplay. So we'll double check and see how it goes. As you can see, it's still very bad. I don't think even if it's not letting me see. We can jump and everything; those will work, but it's not the best. So we'll say we need a better view to control the game. Camera, I will say the camera placement is at the bottom. What else? Yeah, so give it a couple more seconds. We have about 14 more minutes and a couple more prompt adjustment and to see how it go. And we'll double check on how it did. All right, so we just had it. We just had to give some more pump because everything was not turning out good. Still on the time, we have about 10 minutes left. We'll see how it goes. So we re-download it. Now we get a better menu. We had to make sure we implement the menu, and we have a start running. And we also had a debugger where we can use H to debug on what's going on. We'll start the run and see how it goes. As you can see, better graphics and everything, and we have coins. And I'm not too sure about those obstacles, like when to jump and when to not. All right, so it says wait. So we'll get this magnet. We implement magnet. We didn't even specialize. We didn't even say anything. But if you can see, looking much better. Only issue is just I think the game logics are missing some stuff because we're running into some collision by ourselves without even touching on anything. So we'll just give like 2 or 3 more prompt and we'll see. Okay, we back. If you can see that it's 57 on the clock right now. We have about 6 more minutes. Tell us the major fixes. So the obstacle are visible now, red glowing, fixed collision, player visibility, Debug mode improvement, better gameplay flow. Okay, okay, okay. It's actually not bad, but for some reason it keeps running into invisible barrier. All right, so we do have 4 more minutes on the clock. We'll try to get a debug, and if it can work better, it'll work better. But as you can see, like we create like a very good addict that can be addicting, and yeah. But we'll say we still run into an invisible glitch, um, preventing us from progressing past score 700 plus. This is the last prompt, so we gotta make sure it count. What else do we need to? We need to add a high score at the menu. Uh, yeah, add high score at the menu. What else do I need? We need it to be 3D, but give it a couple more minutes since we only have 3 minutes on the clock, and let Claude cook a little bit, and then we'll be back for the final. All right, so we a minute until the final time. We had the 30-minute timer where we tried to replicate the game, in this case, which was Temple Run. So we'll see that Claude take into consideration our last prompt. It did go ahead and did a lot of like cleaning and then testing on what's going on. So we'll go ahead and download the final version and then we'll run it. So as currently right now, our high score is 1627. So we'll see if we can beat it. It did add it. As you see, if you see emojis in the code, you already know like something is up with the AI generation, vibe coding, what we call it nowadays. So we'll start and see how it goes. So monster is behind us. Uh, how does the monster cut up to us? Let's see. Okay. Like there's actually no way this was jump, right? Because there's like two of them and the same thing. And if I press S, we'll just put the debug on the screen just so we know what's going on. It doesn't find anything in a console, say that is good. So, and the time we run out as well. This was us redoing Temple Run, and we'll see you guys in the future. Thank you.